Good morning from the lake. Cheers, my friends. Sparky Sparks here, having a little bit of protein hot chocolate and getting ready to enjoy the day. Now my son is moving here, so I'm just noticing that I've moved into the shadows. So this is, let's see where we can go here. So you can see me and I can see you. There we go. All right, so it's been raining and cold here. I think maybe I have a little bit of a mood situation with the cloud and the fog. It's been foggy so that I can't even see the end of my driveway for the last 2 days. And now the sun's out. I've got all this energy. I'm so excited to conquer the day. I just wanted to share that with you and wondered, do any of you have kind of a moody feel when it's cloudy and rainy, or does that energize you? For me, I've noticed when we have a super cloudy, cold, windy, rainy, blustery day, it's fun at first. And then after 2 or 3 days of that, I'm ready to just see the sun. And then the sun just gives me this huge shot of energy. So I'll be out walking today. I'll probably check in from my walk. For those curious, I'm wearing a number called Goddess in the shaded hazelnut, and hazelnut is one of my favorite colors on me. It reminds me of high school. So this, if you're any of my high school friends who are out there in the world, this is probably similar to how I looked in high school. So that's kind of fun. Hair can bring you back to days gone by. It can give you hair goals. It's just a phenomenal thing. I think it's the best thing I discovered. And we'll go more into that in another video. Have a great day and cheers.